Hi friends, welcome to Computer Science Learners. In SQL lecture series, now we are going to discuss about insert and select commands. So the both insert and select commands belong to the data manipulation language. So after creating any table in the database, if you try to insert any data to the corresponding table, you have to use the insert command. The syntax for the insert command is insert into table name. So this is the user defined name, values, then you have to give the corresponding values of the columns present in the table. For example, you create an employee table with the columns employee ID, employee name and address. So you want to add one employee record into the table. You can write insert into table name employee, values. So the value 1 is employee ID value, comma, value 2 is employee name, value 3 is address. So like that you can insert records into the table. And suppose a table consists of, let us say, some 10 columns, but all the 10 columns are not needed. Now I want to insert only some 3 or 4 columns. You can use the insert command in that way also. Here see the second syntax, insert into table name, column 1 comma and so on, values value 1 comma and so on. Means insert into table names, you have to specify the column names on which columns you want to insert the values. Then write the values keyword, then give the values for the columns written here. So in this way you can insert the data into the table. You can insert all the field values or you can insert the selected field values. Okay. Then the next command is the select command. So select command is used to retrieve the information from a table. For example, using insert command, I inserted 10 rows for the employee table. Now I want to see all the data available in the table. For that purpose, we can use the select command. Okay. So the syntax for the select command is select star from table name. So select star means it retrieve all the information available in the table. If there is 10 records available, all the 10 records will be visible. If it is 50 records, all the 50 records will be visible. And you can write select command in different ways. Suppose I want to see only the particular columns, not all the columns of the table. You have to specify the column name so that you will get that particular column's data. See here the syntax, select column name 1, column name 2 from table name. Means if you write star, in the sense it get all the column values. If you specify the column name, you will get only that particular column values. So in addition to this, you can use the where clause in select command also. Okay, so based on a particular condition, you can get the data. So that we will see in the demonstration session. So these are about insert and select commands. Now we will move to the demonstration session. So here I am using Oracle Data Express Edition 10G for demonstration purpose. Now I want to check whether the employee table is available or not by using DESC command. So yes, employee table is available. Now I want to insert one row in the employee table. So the syntax is insert into table name. Table name is employee. Insert into table name, values. Within the parenthesis you have to write the values. So here what are the columns available? Employee ID, name and address. Employee ID is number type. I am giving simply 1. And what is the second column? Name. Name is varchar2. So for char or varchar or varchar2, any text data types of the columns, that data should be enclosed in single quotes. So I am giving the name as some Hari, and address is also varchar2. So simply I am giving some city name. Okay, colon, then I am trying to execute it. Select the command and run. So one row inserted. So like that I am trying to insert 2 more rows. I am simply copying this command and change the values. So I am giving 2 as employee ID. So the name I am giving Krishna, and instead of Vijayawada I am giving some Rajamandri. Then executing this command. Yes, 1 row inserted. So simply I am changing the values, or better I am copying this command and change the values. So ID given 3, Ramu. Address I am giving some Vizag. Run. See, 1 row inserted. Now if I want to check whatever the data available in the table, what is the command used? Select command. What is the syntax for select command? Select star from table name. Here the table name is employee. Select a star from employee. If I try to execute it, so it will display all the data entered into the table. So employee ID 1, Hari, Vijayawada, 2, Krishna, Rajamandri, 3, Ramu, Vizag. So if you type star here, you will get all the records. For example, I am trying to get only a particular column values. I can modify the select command like select, suppose I want to get the name. So here name is the column name from table name, employee. Select name from employee. So I got only the name column values from the table. So I can write the where class also. So here where is a class which is used to specify the condition. Based on the condition we will retrieve the values. Suppose I want to get the name of the employee whose ID is 1. So here what is ID? EMP ID I think. EMP ID is the column name equal to 1. See, name is Hari, employee ID is 1. So which employee having employee ID 1, that employee name is retrieved by using this command. So like that you can add the where class. Based on the condition you can get a single column value or multiple column values based on our requirement. And one more thing is, here I am inserting all the column values. If I try to insert only 2 column values, that can be also possible by using insert into table name, employee, specify the column names, EMP ID, comma, name, then values. Here you have to write the values. I am giving some 4 because it is text enclosed in single quotes, Raghu. If I try to execute this, 1 row inserted. Now see all the data available in the table. See, this is the last one. I am giving only employee ID and name. Without giving address also I can insert the data. So by using insert you can insert all the column values or some of the specified columns. And using select command you can retrieve all the data available in the table, or based on a condition you can retrieve all column values based on the particular condition or selected columns based on the condition. So this is about insert and select commands. So thank you.